Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate objects on your Google Vids scenes. So you're working on a Google Vids project and you've got a scene and you want to play with the angles at which certain objects on the scene appear. One way to do that is to select the object, go to Arrange, and then down here where it says Rotate, you have the option to either rotate it clockwise 90 degrees, rotate it counterclockwise 90 degrees, flip it horizontally, flip it vertically. All right, so let me just show you what that looks like. If I flip it vertically, notice now it's upside down. Another way to rotate this is when you have the object selected, grab this little round sprite, and as you can see, you can rotate it at will. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.